This is burner, LPG gas stove burner. This is the open close valve. Then here gate valve. This is the flow control valve. This is pressure gauge. Here also input giving also. This side is input, this side is output. Don't connect wrongly. This is the input side, this is output side. So this is you go to connect after two flow control valve, two pressure gauge. Inside you having a freezer unit with the capillary tube and copper tube. Copper tube is 1/4 inch copper tube. Capillary is 1 mm capillary tube. This is the freezer unit. This is the temperature sensor. This is temperature meter. Cabin is 16 into 14, height to 2 feet height. Molded sheet metal 1 mm thickness. This is the 8 mm nylon tube. This is high pressure regulator. This is the high pressure regulator. Then this is that valve. You go to tight it means automatically the gas will be coming here. Now the temperature is, this is the room temperature 28. 28 is the room temperature. Now we have to operate the cylinder. First of all, we have to tight the cylinder. Then you have to open the gate valve. Then you have to open the gate valve. Adinga. Kalli. You have to adjust the gate valve depending upon the flow control valve. The burner will be flowing. This is a small cylinder, so that's why you go to ulta. Go to ulta it. Then only the liquid will be going here. Cooling will be coming. Keep putting on. Nakke orum na raha. Keep in the reduced slowly, gradually. This is that little bit cooling is the input side. Wait for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. It will be cooling inside also. You want to fully tight here. You want to tight the fully. Then only it will be ready. Number ready sir. இந்த பக்கம் நான் போய் வச்சுக்கோங்க. என்னங்க ஆச்சு? Now it will be slowly, it will be reducing. 27, 24, like that way it will be reducing. ஆட்டாத இது பண்ணாது இடிச்சிடும். நிறைய இந்த பக்கம் input is 2 bar, sorry 1 bar. Output is 0.5 bar. Output is 0.5 bar. Input is 1 bar. 1 bar input. Output 0.5 bar. This type of flow will come. Now the temperature will be reduced to 23. It will be gradually reduced to up to 15 degree will come.